I don't know if you guys have seen the clips yet. You know, they've been out for a few years. Instead of nailing through this tongue and groove like pine, they'll shoot through the tongue here. You know, PVC's not pine, and you know, if you have that gun too hot, you're probably going to shoot through that tongue. So we did come out, you know, with the VZ clips. They look like a little Z, just a stainless clip. Screw wise, I mean, a lot of screws will work. You know, we like the GRKs. Just the reason why, I mean, they have a bigger, flatter head on them. You know, they fit in there nice. You know, it's got that flat style head, so you're not going to have a problem with the next board coming in and getting bunched up on that screw head. You know what I mean? We got a piece started. You got to get a piece started. You know, we have it up here, you know, hidden behind our stealth, you know, window surround. I know a lot of people deal, especially up here, with, you know, pine or something like that. Tongues get swell up. They have a hard time, you know, locking that next piece in. This stuff's going to be dead nuts every time with your tongue. Clips, you know, they're going to slide right up into that groove on your next board after you slide it in. The nice part about it being so tight, once you get that board slid in there, you know, you don't really have to worry about it. The groove's so tight that it locks the board in with the next one. Take your VZ clips, stick a GRK screw in the hole. Don't have to kill it. Walks it in really nice. I know guys complain about maybe it's not as fast as using a nail gun. It's really not that bad. When you get this stuff in there, I mean, you couldn't move it. You know, those VZ clips really lock it in. And then we do have the corners as well. 4 and 6 inch corners. Same thing, stealth. Corner goes on there like that. You know, hides the ends of your signage. So you got your corners hidden, you know, under your freeze board, in your corners, you know, and your window surrounds. You know, it's the cleanest look you can get.